Today's video, I'll show you where to find the earbuds controls or earbud controls for your Galaxy Buds 3 Pro when you have them connected to either a Samsung phone or a Android phone using the wearable app, okay? If you haven't used the wearable app for a very long time and you just got your Buds 3 Pro earbuds connected to the wearable app, make sure you have the latest update so you can get access to all the features. Once you're in here now, you'll see all these settings and features that are just beyond my imagination. But anyways, so while here, you want to go down to the part that says earbud controls right there. And these earbud controls have plenty of options. So you'll of course be either using the left or the right or both of them. So the first one would be the media controls. You can turn it on and off from here, but I would always suggest to just take at least one glance of what it really does, just in case you didn't know, okay? So we got the media controls here, and it's telling you here while it's on how to go about using them. So make sure you dive into that part there so you understand how it works. A single pinch is play, pause, double next track, and a triple pinch is the previous track. Swiping up and down is the volume controls. So if you've been curious to know how to control your earbuds using it with an MP3 player on your phone, this is where you want to go and take a view at, okay? Now the next part would be the pinch and hold controls. So basically this part is going to be separated into the left earbud and the right earbud. And these are all controlled by a pinch and hold. So it's basically with your earbud here, if you have them here, you'll pinch and hold them. And every time you perform this action, you will hear this tone sound play in your ears, just like the different noise control feature. You'll hear different sounds that will allow you to switch between these features. And why? Because if you have it on from here and you tap here, for example, the left one, you can switch between the different noise controls here or have it set to Bixby. I have no idea what this one here is, the interpreter. Never heard of it, by the way, but now you know, and so do I, okay? And I'm gonna cancel this here. We got Spotify for those of you who use Spotify or Samsung Music. So basically it's gonna open these up for you if you pinch and hold with the left earbud. So if you wanna keep the left earbud with these here and have the right one now as it's turned on, function as the noise controls, that's up to you, and just have to make sure you select it. The next one is answering and ending calls. So let's just say you have an incoming call and you want to answer it. It's a single pinch. So you're probably wondering, well, a single pinch will access the media controls, but that would be different if the call is already coming in. You have that call, person's calling, you'll single pinch it while the earbuds are in your ears, and it's going to answer the call. And then of course, let's just say you are about to end the call, another single pinch will end the call, all right? So that's different from declining a call, just so you know. And if you don't want this to happen, you want to turn this off because you might accidentally pinch your earbuds and end the call. So if I were you, I mean, if you're really good with the earbuds, then leave it on. If not, then turn it off. Now, declining a call is a different story on its own. You have an incoming call and you're gonna pinch and hold the earbuds, and that's gonna prevent the call from being answered and just simply decline it, okay? And finally, the earbud lights controls, okay? So this here, these guys here got some lights, okay? So if you're new, what really makes the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro shine compared to the other Galaxy Buds from the previous past, whatever, you got the different style here. So you got steady lights, fade in, fade out, and it's gonna switch it over for you. And you got the blinking one, which is gonna have you looking like a police driving nearby, just saying. All right, but this is where you would go to do all this stuff here. So like and sub if you learned something new, and thanks for watching.